Tá, Ohio. Um, Hi guys, OFX here. It's been a while. Yeah, we've been going through a lot. Anyways, we've not really streamed. Wow. So yeah, you guys would have to forgive us. But I think I would say we've been observing. That's the word. We've been observing, and patiently taking our trades, just doing our thing and making sure we are getting it right. Now, TP hit, full TP hit. Um, yeah, yeah, basically. Um, so we had this setup on gold. We had this setup on gold yesterday. We had this setup on gold yesterday. We had this setup on gold yesterday. So we've been on this trade since yesterday, actually. And yeah, it's just unfortunate that we did not record it when we made the analysis. You guys would have to forgive us, but I should be able to show a picture of the setup before it played out. Should be able to show a picture of the setup before and when it started playing out. Okay, able to. Okay. Am I able to? As you can see, this is a picture of the this is a picture of the setup when this is a picture of the initial setup. This is a picture of the setup, yeah, before price tapped into it and well, this is the results. As you can see, patience, observation, and proper risk management. So we had the previous daily high and 50% of that and previous daily low. Usually, yeah, usually TP was around down here where this was initially this is what the setup looked like. This is what the setup looks like. But this week we decided to try taking a fixed ratio trade. So basically 1 to 3s. This week we decided that okay, we'll take 1 to 3s. We trade only 1 to 3s this week. We trade only 1 to 3s this week. So yeah, this is 50% of this range. Price might come here, and all these lows have been swept. So I think we can start to wrap up for now. But basically, we followed our pattern. We followed our pattern. That was how we took the trade. By following our usual pattern, which is for sales, we get a sweep of the range high or range high for sales. We get a sweep of range high, pullback, a sweep of that sweep, a pullback, market structure shift, break of structure, they pull back, then we take the trade with a fair value gap or an OB, then follow price to the opposite side of the range. Basically, how we take our trades. So yeah, as you can see here, the high, previous day high got swept. There was a pullback, a sweep of that sweep, then the market structure shifts, then break of structure. It was minor. It was minor. This is 15 minutes. Let's take it back to 5 minutes. Let's take it back to 5 minutes. Yes. Yes. So as you can see, this range high, right? This is range high, a sweep of range high, pullback, a sweep of that sweep. That is what happened here, a sweep of that sweep. Then we have the pullback, market structure shift, break of structure. Then we took the trade with this fair value gap. But now the crazy part of it all is price still came to use this, touch this tiny fair value gap here. Price came to touch this tiny fair value gap and still use it to push down. But anyways, yeah, that was that about that. Then, anyways, that is that about that. Sorry, our screen is back on. Yeah, yeah. Of this low has gotten swept. This low also has gotten swept. So now we're just observing to see what price will do probably till it gets to this point. But you know that as of today, we have a new daily candle. As of today, we have a new daily candle. So anything can happen. Anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. So this is the new daily low. That's around 3344. That is the new daily low. So if price gets to that daily low, if price gets to that daily low at 3344, price, if we see pattern, we might take buys. We might take buys. But till then, we're going to keep you posted. So yeah, that was just yesterday's trade that hit TP today. Today, if we get a trade today, of course, we take it. If not, we rest. Let's remember this is 3344. So that is because daily low 3344, 3344. So who knows? Price might come here, give us pattern to continue buying. Who knows? Or price might push to the 50% of the of Monday's daily range, or I might push down to the low. All of that. It all depends on what price wants to do. My father doesn't own the market. Yeah, my father doesn't actually own the market. So yeah, although we have a freebie analysis, a freebie setup on GU, a freebie setup on GBP USD. Yeah, so we have this on GBP USD, might play out, and I think there's also something on EU. I think there's also something on EU USD trading off the 4-hour order block. Just saying, anything can happen. It might hold, it might not hold. All of that is based off of how the market is feeling. So yeah, this is what EU looks like, and GU and GBP USD. This is what the GBP USD setup looks like, and the Euro USD setup. Anyways, guys, our trade hit our desired TP. So for now, we're just observing. Yeah. For now, we are just observing. Since 50% the range and price is below it. Anyways, let's always remember our point, which is we sell high and we buy. That's it. Not in the middle of the range, nothing at all. If we're not selling low, and if we're not selling high or buying low, then we won't be in the trade. We have to be either any of this, either we are selling from an high or we are buying from a low. Anyways, yeah, that about that, guys. Once this gets swept, if once previous daily low gets swept, which is this point, once this previous daily low gets swept, we would record again and see what price does to us from there. Bye for now, guys.